You've probably heard the term VPN by now, Virtual Private Network, and you may even have one installed. Now the question is, should you leave it on 24/7? I'm the CyberGuy, and I can answer any of your tech questions over at CyberGuy.com. That is also where you can sign up for my free CyberGuy Report newsletter. Now this question came from one of our CyberGuy Report newsletter subscribers. You may consider using a VPN when you're on a public Wi-Fi network or while you're traveling. However, you may not know if you should be keeping it on 24/7, even if you're not currently on the web. My recommendation is, and it's controversial, but this is the way I go. My recommendation is that you do use a VPN at all times. It's just safer. It really is the best way to stay private. Now, the reasons you should have a VPN turned on, even while at home, anytime you're using your computer, including the ability to bypass firewalls, keep your data encrypted no matter what website you visit, and they can even help your connection speed stay up to speed. Check out all the reviews at cyberguy.com/VPN, and while you're there, that is where you can find that red shiny button to sign up for my free CyberGuy Report newsletter.